Spend the day with me feeling like a princess on New Year's. Today we're going to wake up, have a nice relaxing bath. We're going to make some pancakes, make a delicious cotton candy drink, going to watch Sex and the City, wear a beautiful dress for our New Year's party, making a mood board, and after this magical day we're going to bed and have some sweet dreams. So the first thing that I love to do on New Year's is to wake up. Then I love to have a nice and relaxing bath with a cotton candy bed balm. I found this cotton candy bed balm and I thought it would be perfect for New Year's when I'm having my bath to use this bed balm. And it smells so good, it just smells like cotton candy. And I think this is the perfect way to start the day on New Year's. So we're going to make some delicious pancakes for New Year's. I got some delicious buttermilk fluffy pancakes. Love to add some powdered sugar on there because it's so delicious. So we're going to light some fireworks to celebrate New Year's. I got this adorable firework and I thought it would be so perfect to have on my pancakes. It's really sparkly and pretty and it really brings me into the mood for the New Year's. I just love to light some fireworks to celebrate New Year's and I just love how festive and pretty and sparkly it looks. It's so festive and so pretty. And I just love all the sparkles, especially on New Year's, to celebrate. Now we're going to add some pink cotton candy to our pancakes. I just love to have some cotton candy on our pancakes. And I think that it's the perfect little treat for New Year's to have some cotton candy on your pancakes. And it looks really pretty as well. I also added a little candle to make it look extra more festive for the New Year's. So now we're going to light our candle for New Year's to celebrate New Year's Eve. I just love how these pancakes turn out. They look so pretty and I just love the pink cotton candy. It's really festive and really pretty and it tastes so delicious. I just love how my pancakes turned out for the New Year's. And I just love the pink cotton candy. It looks so pretty. So now we're going to make a delicious pink cotton candy drink for the New Year's. This is my favorite drink for New Year's and I just love making it every year. I added some pink cotton candy to a little glass. And I'm going to add some pink rosé prosecco. This is one of my most favorite drinks for New Year's. I just love how pretty it looks with the cotton candy and the pink drink. And the cotton candy in the rosé is so delicious because it makes it extra more sweet. And I just love how pretty it looks as well. It looks so festive. I just love to add some more cotton candy to my drink because it's so delicious and it's my favorite little treat for New Year's. So now we're going to watch Sex and the City while I'm getting dressed for a New Year's party. I just love to watch Sex and the City. It's one of my most favorite series and it always inspires me to dress up like Carrie. So I think it's the perfect way to watch Sex and the City while I'm getting dressed for the New Year's party tonight. It's one of my most favorite series. One of my most favorite episodes is when Carrie tries on all the beautiful bridal dresses. That's one of my favorite episode of the shows. I just love all the dresses. She looks so pretty. And I think this is the perfect inspiration to get dressed for New Year's. I just love all the dresses. They all look so gorgeous. And I just love playing dress up, especially on New Year's Eve. It's so much fun. And this is my favorite dress that Carrie's wearing. It's her wedding dress. It's just gorgeous. I just love it so much. So today we're going to wear a beautiful dress for the New Year's party. I got this really adorable silky dress and I think it's so perfect for New Year's because it really reminds me of a cotton candy or like a cupcake. It's so pretty. And I love all the ruffles and the pink. It's just gorgeous. And I do think that this is a dress that Carrie Bradshaw would wear in Sex and the City because it's pink and it's so puffy and pretty. It's one of my most favorite dresses. And I think this is the perfect dress to wear on New Year's Eve. It's just so pretty. And I love all the pink. I also got this little adorable dress to wear on New Year's. It's really pretty and really sparkly. And again, it really reminds me of Carrie Bradshaw. I'm also wearing this dress with a little coat, like a furry coat, and a beautiful rose necklace. I think this is such a cute look for New Year's. And it really reminds me of Sex and the City and Carrie Bradshaw. And I think it looks so pretty and pink and glittery and sparkly. Such a cute little look. Scroll through Pinterest and make a mood board for the new year. I just love to scroll through Pinterest and make a beautiful mood board for the New Year's. I just love this little tradition. I just love to go on Pinterest and look for some beautiful, inspiring pictures of all the things that I love to do in the new year. So yes, I'm looking for some gorgeous pictures that I love to use in my mood board. This is how my mood board turned out. I just love it so much. It's everything that I love. And everything that I hope and dream for in the New Year's. I've got some beautiful silky dresses that I love, a beautiful home decoration. I just love to visit Paris. Of course, a pretty pink Chanel bag, and I really want to see the ballet. So I just love how this mood board turned out. It's so pretty and so inspiring. And these are all my dreams and wishes for the new year. So after the New Year's party, I'm going to bed and have some sweet dreams about this magical day. So this was my video for how to feel like a beautiful princess on New Year's. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. I'm wishing you all a happy new year. And hopefully I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!